I've got my recommendations for travel skincare for women over 40, and that is coming up next. Hey there, and welcome to Real Chicks TV. I'm your Real Chick, Carla, and Big Daddy and I are at our beach house, and I thought that while I'm here that I would share with you what I bring along for travel for skincare. So I've got my top travel recommendations, travel skincare for women over 40. It's easy to pack and it's anti-aging. So what do you say we share that today? Believe it or not, everything that I carry for travel skincare all fits into this one little pouch. Yes, it all fits in here, and it's all effective, and it's all anti-aging, and it's all wonderful, and it's even better that it all fits in here and you just pop it in your suitcase and you're good to go. So let's get started. The first thing that I do is I have this travel size of Hunter Brooks Skin Dirt. I don't go anywhere without this. I use this at home and I use it when I travel. The great thing is you can get this 3-ounce jar, and that meets all requirements. Now we of course drove because we're right down the road from the beach house, but if you're traveling on a plane, or if you're traveling on something that has restrictions with liquid contents, because this is a sugar scrub, it is a scrub that comes like that. So it does meet the requirements for liquids in this particular size. What I do is I get the big jar and then I just transfer some over into the smaller jar when I want to travel, and we're good to go. I will link a video down below to where I gave a full review on Skin Dirt, what it's done for my skin, how it basically heals all that ails your skin. If there's something going on with your skin, Skin Dirt for me fixes it. Everything from acne, blackheads, blemishes, pores, fine lines, wrinkles. This right here was created by someone who had all of those issues, so she knows of what she speaks. Again, I'll link that video down below so that you can really learn why I love Skin Dirt so much and why it always goes with me. So I use this because it also is a full exfoliant. I love the exfoliation. I love the deep clean that it gives. But what I also have in this little kit is actually what came in this bag. This is from Elemis. Let me get my glasses so that I can tell you everything that it includes. It includes the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. That's this right here. And then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Oil. And we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Are you getting a theme here? Everything is pro collagen. This is an amazing kit, and it comes in this little pouch right here. This is called the Pro Collagen Starter Kit. Get younger looking skin in 14 days, they promise. Now, I don't know about that, but I can tell you that this is some good stuff. The Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm really works beautifully. It is great for dissolving makeup, any dirt, any grime, any buildup of any kind that you have on your face. This just melts it right away, turns into this beautiful smoothing balm that you can just rub all over your face. And I actually like to leave it there a little bit because of the collagen values that it has in it, and because of the great ingredients that it has in it. This really is an exceptional multifunctional product because not only can you use it as a cleansing balm, but you can do what I did last night and use it as a mask. So I cleaned my face really well, and then I put just a nice thin light layer of this all over my face. It's very emollient, very hydrating, very nourishing, and it's not like petroleum jelly, and it's not like a gel. It is a true balm that's got quite a bit of slip to it. So I just put a nice layer all over my face, and I just sat for about an hour as that just penetrated, and it just left it feeling so clean, so nourished, so hydrated. This is a wonderful balm that is great for travel because not only are you getting the cleaning benefits, but you're getting a mask all in one little jar. So in just this one little thing, you've got 2 products in one. Great for travel. Also in the kit comes the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Oil. This is a beautiful light facial oil that smells lovely. All of these have a nice light marine smell to them. The marine oil is really cool because it has a trio of different seaweeds in it. So you're getting the benefits of those marine extracts. It really does, because of those amazing ingredients, especially under the eyes, It really does reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it hydrates and nourishes like you wouldn't believe. Love this little oil. I can tell you that after I finish with the kit, I will be purchasing the full size of all 3 of these, including the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. There's just something about this, and again, it's got a nice, light, beautiful marine-like smell. This gives a bounce to my skin after I use it. It feels firmer and plumper and softer, and I can just touch it. And you know how like if you touch a baby's skin and it has a nice little bounce back to it? Once I use this, after I apply it, it has that nice little bounce that when you touch it, you get that nice little bounce back to it. And we all want that little bounce back to our skin now, don't we? So the cleansing balm that can also be used as the mask, the oil, and the marine cream, all 3 of these promise that you will have younger looking skin and that you will have a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I don't know about that, but I can promise you that they're great products and they're exceptional for travel because they have multi-purposes. So I love them. So after I've done my cleansing, and then I will put on my marine cream. And before I put on the oil, after I've put on the marine cream, I'm currently using this under eye recovery from City Beauty. Now this is an amazing eye cream. I really like this. You can use it twice a day, and I do. You're just gonna tap it on your ring finger. The cool thing about this is it comes with a pump, which I really like. So you're just gonna take a little bit, tap it on your ring finger, then tap it under your eyes. This really, so far, is doing a very nice job for me. And because it's in a tube, it's excellent for travel. Loving that. I also take this wherever I go, in my purse, at home. I keep one in my travel bag. And this is by e.l.f. and it is an acne spot gel treatment. It smells like alcohol because it's got alcohol in it, because they used to call this the Zit Zapper. That was the actual name of the product, which I loved that name because it was the perfect name for it, because that's exactly what this does. It has a little roller, and if you have a blemish, you just roll this on there, and I'm telling you, within a few hours, overnight, you're gonna see a huge difference. And it's in a little plastic container, and it doesn't take up much room. So wherever I go, especially when I'm traveling, because when you're traveling, you know, you're under different conditions, different environmental situations, you're eating different foods. So your skin may react to that. So this is a nice thing to have on hand. And just like everything else, it's all fitting into this little bag. Finally, you cannot forget your sunscreen. I am using this travel size of Drunk Elephant's Umbra Sheer Physical Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Protect and preserve. This is an amazing sunscreen. It really does the job very nicely. And you twist it and then you just squeeze it and a little bit comes up. You don't even have to worry about the cap coming off. And then you just, smells so nice. And of course you just apply sunscreen like you would normally. But I love the little twist up cap on this, and it's so easy. Also in a plastic container. So everything is travel friendly. Now, I promised you that all of these products were going to fit into my little Elemis bag, and indeed they do. So here we have our marine cream, our Elemis balm, my little Hunter Brooks Skin Dirt, taking my little e.l.f. stick, the oil, the under eye recovery cream, and the sunscreen, and everything fits into this. And you can see how wide this is and how tall this is. Everything fits in here. You just drop it into your suitcase. Everything is travel friendly, and all of these products truly do work, and I love them. Tell me if you've ever tried any of these. What are your travel products that you must have when you travel, particularly for skincare? Because, you know, we want to have our skincare with us, but we want convenience, ease, and effectiveness. So what are your go-to travel products? Tell me in the description bar below so we can all learn from each other, and maybe there's something I can add to my kit for next time. I'm Carla from Real Chicks TV. I thank you so much for joining me today at our beach house. It always makes my day that much more special when you keep me company, and I thank you for coming to my beach house and sharing some time with me. It's always nice to spend time with you. So until next time, keep your head, heels, and standards high. Much love to you. Take care.